Hello everyone, my name is Meher and I am a part of Agora's Superstar program where I have been working with their Flutter as well as Web SDK to build some cool projects that can actually help people and get a head start in the development process, or even if they are building something very niche, they can get a knowledge about how to proceed and how to basically get about the particular API. Now over here I have built an interactive broadcasting app using the Agora's Flutter SDK, which actually provides an application for a cross platform. Now this interactive broadcasting app works something like our Facebook Live or Instagram Live, where people can go and talk to their friends or followers and interact with them, ask them questions, laugh about it. So that's the whole crux of the app. Now, to see its functioning, it basically takes two inputs, your username as well as the channel name. So my username will be Meher, and channel name is something that is unique to a person or a group. So let this be test. Now you are given two options to sign in as a broadcaster or as an audience. So let's go as a broadcaster. And there we have it. So this is how the broadcasting app works. Now over here you'll see that we have two functions. The first one indicates if I'm live or not, and the second one right next to it indicates the number of people who are watching the stream. And obviously there is the interactive part over here where I can just type my message and it will be displayed to the complete channel. Now, why I use Agora's SDK over others SDK that are available? The main and obvious reason being the ease of use that the Agora's SDK provide, and how easy it is not only to just build a project but to get the reference, the documentation, everything is well laid out, which actually helps us a lot in the development process.